All right, what's on the bench today? It's my hand. But what's under my hand? What do you think it is? It is a Christmas present. And I'll give you a little peek. No, it's metal. It's metal. What do you think it is? It's a briefcase. It's a very tiny briefcase with little latches. What do you think goes in there? What do you think is in here? All right. It is 4 inches by 2.5 inches by 3/4 of an inch. It is tiny. Let's open it up. Da, 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 da. Tools. Like I need new tools. But I don't have these small ones. These are teeny tiny. Let's flip this little case out of the way. Look at them in there. We better zoom in. Better zoom in. Yeah. We got, let's see here. We got a box cutter. We got scissors. Hose pliers. That's what we used to call them. Needle nose pliers. Channel locks. We got cutters, a little hacksaw, calipers, crescent wrench, a little machinist vise, that's nice, and a micrometer, and a little clamp. Now, everything in here works. Everything in here works. We'll take this over to the microscope because yeah, you need to look at the quality of the build quality of this stuff. I mean, these little pliers actually have the two little sections where you can make it small size or big size, just like the real ones. Yeah, the channel locks do the same thing. You think this would just slide in and out? No, 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 no. It's even got the little thing that sticks out the other end. Yeah, these are cute. Yeah, these are made in Japan. These are really good. These are really good quality. Anyway, yeah, let's go to the microscope. These are super cool. Way too expensive. Okay, here we go. I'll flip the thing open. And there's a little clear thing here. Whoa, there we go. Look at all the little tiny tools. Look at the super, super, super tiny tools. Oh, they're so cute. And they're all fully functional, which is just nuts. It's just nuts. Scissors, box cutter. Yeah. What fun. Little cutters. And if you don't believe that the things work, let's see here. Let me take out the crescent wrench here. Here's a little crescent wrench. Yes, indeed. A little crescent wrench works. Look at how tiny it is. It's so tiny. Oh, man. Yeah. There we go. Castem. These Japanese guys are clever. I'll just pull out a few here. Here's a little channel locks. Little bit scissors. Micrometer. Yes, indeed. And here's some calipers. Let's see here. Oh, got it. I didn't mean to have to show you my ugly fingers, but anyway, that's what it is. Even has a little thing that sticks out. Yep. Little box cutters. Slide the blades out. Anyway, you get the idea. These things are tiny. These things are tiny. And yeah, what fun. What fun. Anyway, that was my Christmas present. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I have a good family.